Camille, and today is the day to work on our posture. I have 3 tips for you, some things that I've done to work on my posture. And number 1 is the easiest, and that is to get a posture corrector. I got this at TJ Maxx, and I bought one for my sister-in-law, and someone else took off with it, and I was so sad because I couldn't use it anymore. And then I went back to TJ Maxx like a year later, like prayed, I hope there'll be one. Only one there. Both times I think there might have only been one. Anyway, so TJ Maxx is great, like $10 to fix your posture. Probably seen people with bad posture and starting to crouch over, and if you don't work on your posture, eventually you might be one of those people that can't walk straight. I don't know what all the elements are of that, but I know that this is important to strengthen your skeletal muscles, so you will definitely feel actually I'm starting to feel it right now because I'm wearing this today. You'll feel the muscles in the back, middle of your back start to strengthen or start to hurt, which means that it's working. And so just while you're doing computer work or whatever, this just pulls your shoulders back and helps you remember to focus on your posture, and also just keeps you up. The other one is actually to hang your head off the end of your bed or couch. I'm going to show you guys that in a second. So this is a stretch that a chiropractor that I went to for a while told me to do. And so you go to the edge of a bed or a couch and you just let your neck hang for like 3 minutes to 15 minutes. And you'll definitely feel the soreness after this one. You build up to 15 minutes, but and it's like really good. And so I don't know if this is what makes your neck not like going forward, or if it also helps with posture, but I just think it's all good in the noodle soup, you know? So, and I'll show you one more in a second. Number 3 is to do this thing where you walk with your thumbs back and just walking down the street, because as you notice, this naturally makes your posture your shoulders go back, which helps. So basically, do those 3 and your life will be a lot better. So there's also probably some exercises that you can do. Also look up hybrid calisthenics. That's a Christian guy who talks about how to fix your posture, do push-ups if you've never done it, on his YouTube channel. So those are 3 steps, and just focus on your posture because it's very important. It makes you look better as well. You notice people that have bad posture, don't you? It's not good for your image, but it's really not good for your health and longevity. You don't want to be crouched over when you're old. If I could help people not have that, I would like to. So please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more things on health, diet, how to get closer to God, and music, because I do music. My blog is Camille'sJournal.com. If you'd like to get on my email list, it's below. And comment and subscribe. Tell me any Christian coaches that you like in the comments, or if these help you. God bless you, and mwah!